Hi everyone, welcome back. We have discussed the relationship between partition function and the thermodynamic properties. In this lesson, we are discussing the thermodynamic properties of monatomic gas in terms of partition function. That is the thermodynamic properties of monoatomic gas. Thermodynamic properties of monoatomic gas. And here we are discussing the thermodynamic properties such as internal energy, heat capacity and entropy. So the first one, internal energy. Before we are doing the derivation of this internal energy, we should know a monoatomic gas has only translational degrees of freedom. There is no contribution from vibration and rotational motion. So the contribution towards the total energy of a monoatomic gas is from translational motion and electronic motion. Only translational energy is coming. So the energy, the internal energy of a monoatomic gas is translational internal energy. Right? It is only translational internal energy. Electronic energy is, we are not considering electronic energy, so because most of the case it is negligible, no contribution from electronic energy towards the total energy, so we are neglecting that too. So the total energy or the internal energy of a monoatomic gas is nothing but its translational internal energy. Translational energy. Similarly, we studied that the partition function, total partition function, canonical partition function or total partition function is equal to Q translational into Q rotational into Q vibrational into Q electronic. Four terms. Q translational, Q rotational, Q vibrational and Q electronic. But here there is no rotation and vibration. So partition function is just the contribution of translational partition function and electronic partition function. But Q electronic, which is equal to G0. Most of the cases. For molecules, G0 is equal to 1. That is Q electron is equal to 1. But partition function for atoms, it is 2J plus 1. We studied it. But here it is a monoatomic gas, actually a gas molecule we are considering. Thus, G0 is taken as 1. Most of the cases it is 1. But some exceptions are there, chlorine and some nitric oxide. We discussed it in the last class. Okay. So here G0 is taken as 1, so Q electron is equal to 1. So Q is equal to simply the translational partition function. Translational partition function. And we know what is translational partition function. QR is equal to 2 pi m kt by h square all raised to 3 by 2 into V. That's our translational partition function. And U, you can put it as UT, that is U translational, internal energy, translational internal energy, which is equal to RT square dou by dou T ln Q. RT square dou by dou T ln Q, which is equal to RT square dou by dou T of 2 pi m kt by h square all raised to 3 by 2 into V. Here pi m k h are constants and we are also this at constant volume. So we can take this temperature term T out, so which is equal to RT square into dou by dou T of ln t raised to 3 by 2 plus rt square dou by dou t 2 pi m k by h square all raised 3 by 2 into v. We take this t out, but there is no t terms. So differentiation of this term with respect to temperature, we get 0, right? This become 0, and we can differentiate only this one. When we differentiate this log t raised to 3 by 2 with respect to t, log t raised to 3 by 2 can be written as 3 by 2 ln t, and the differential of ln t is 1 by t, so which is equal to rt square into 3 by 2 into 1 by t. So we can cancel these t and t, so we get u is equal to, we get which is equal to 3 by 2 rt. 3 by 2 rt. So u, internal energy of a monatomic gas, which is equal to 3 by 2 rt. 3 by 2 rt. Next, CV, that is heat capacity at constant volume. This is equal to change in internal energy with temperature at constant volume. That is, we know what is internal energy, that is 3 by 2 RT at constant volume, which is nothing but 3 by 2 R. So heat capacity of a monatomic gas is 3 by 2 R. We know what is internal energy of a monatomic gas and what is heat capacity of a monatomic gas. Now third one, it is entropy of a monatomic gas. Entropy of a monatomic gas. We know the equation for entropy, that is R into ln Q by N plus T into dou by dou T ln Q plus 1. That is the equation for entropy in terms of partition function. Again, the partition function Q represents the translational partition function QR, which is equal to 2 pi m kT by h square all raised 3 by 2 into. So here 2 pi m kT by h square to the power 3 by 2 into V. That is our equation for transfer. We are substituting Q, the value of Q in this equation. So we get S equal to R into ln 2 pi m kT by h square raised to the power 3 by 2 into V. There is an n here, 1 by n, so we can put it as V by n, okay, plus T into dou by dou T 2 pi m kT by h square to the power 3 by 2 into V. Okay, we are differentiating this with respect to T, so only T can be differentiated, all others are constant. So we get dou by dou T, T into dou by dou T. This term becomes T into dou by dou T ln T raised to 3 by 2. That is, which is equal to T dou by dou T or T into 3 by 2 dou by dou T ln T, which is equal to T into 3 by 2 into 1 by T. Right? So we get this one. Cancel each other. That is T and T. So you get only 3 by 2 here. We get 3 by 2. Sorry, one more thing. That is plus 1 here. This one. 3 by 2 here. We get answer 3 by 2. So we can rewrite the equation as S equal to R into ln 2 pi m kT by h square to the power 3 by 2 times b by n plus 3 by 2, that is the value of this differential plus 1. This become 5 by 2, right? That become 5 by 2. So our equation is, you can write as s is equal to r into 5 by 2 plus, okay, 3 by 2 plus 1, 5 by 2 plus ln 2 pi m kt by h square all raised to 3 by 2 into v by 2. Right. That's our equation. Now we have to expand this term. For that, we are applying the equation v is equal to RT by P. Right? But R is equal to K into N. Right? So V by N, this term, which is equal to RT by N into P. But R is equal to K into Boltzmann constant into Avogadro number, that is R. So which is equal to K into N into T divided by N into P. So V by N, which is equal to this one, that is which is equal to KT divided by P. So instead of V by N, we can write it as KT by P. KT by P. So we are rewriting the equation as S is equal to R into 5 by 2 plus ln 2 pi m kt by h square all raised to 3 by 2 into kt by p. Okay. But we know there is an ln here. So in order to take ln common out, we have to convert this 5 by 2 into log term, right? If there is an ln, we can take ln out. But now there is no n, so we are converting this 5 by 2 into ln term. How? Just like this. Okay. ln of e raised to 5 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 can be represented as ln e raised to 5 by 2. So instead of 5 by 2, I am writing ln e raised to 5 by 2. Okay. So our equation become S equal to R into ln e raised to 5 by 2 plus ln 2 pi m kt by s square all raised to 3 by 2 into kt by p. But we know h square by 2 pi m kt whole raised to 1 by 2 is equal to capital lambda. Already discussed in our partition functions. Thermal wavelength. So lambda h square by 2 pi m kt all raised to 1 by 2. So it is 1 by lambda whole cube. Right? It is 1 by lambda whole cube. So instead of, we can write it as 1 by lambda cube and take log ln out. Okay. Then we get S equal to R ln out, right, into e raised to 5 by 2 into kt. Okay, log a plus b, that is log a b, divided by lambda q into p. This term is e raised to 5 by 2. This is 1 by lambda q kt by p. So e raised to 5 by 2 into kt by lambda cube into p. Okay, and this equation is known as Sackur-Tetrode equation. And so this equation is known as Sackur-Tetrode equation. Clear? Okay, so we can write like this, or we can expand the whole term. This is our equation actually. Sackur-Tetrode equation, this one. But we are again doing more. That is, we are expanding this term. That is S is equal to R into 5 by 2 plus ln 2 pi m k. That is you can take this m out. Mass of that is 3 by 2 ln m. Okay, 3 by 2 ln m plus, instead of v, we put it as kt by p. Okay, so v, we put it as kt by p by n. We put it as kt by p. Okay, kt by p. So from this m taken out, that is 3 by 2 ln m. Then k 3 by 2, k raised to 3 by 2 into k raised to 1, that is k raised to 5 by 2. Okay, k raised to 3 by 2 into k raised to 1 by 2, that is k raised to 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 ln k, right? T raised to 3 by 2 into t raised to 1, that is t raised to 5 by 2. So plus 5 by 2 ln t, right, minus ln p, that is but the remaining term, that is, or we can write like that, ln t, ln k, then there is another term, that is 3 by 2 2 pi m, that is 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 ln 2 pi minus ln p minus, here there is h square raised to 3 by 2, which is equal to h cube. So ln h cube, that is 3 ln h. That is the equation obtained after expansion, right? And again we can substitute the value of 2 pi k, right, and h. We know the values of pi, we know the value of Boltzmann constant, we know the value of Planck's constant, right? But we don't know the value of mass of the particles. We don't know, at present we don't know temperature. So by substituting the value of pi, k and h in this equation, that is by calculating this one, that is 5 by 2 ln k plus, all together that is 5 by 2, this 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 ln k plus 3 by 2 ln 2 pi minus 3 ln h. If you are calculating these terms, this term and this term plus this term, we get, which is equal to minus 0.5055, minus 0.5055. Altogether, substituting the values of k, pi, h and adding with the 5 by 2, we get minus 0.5055. So our equation becomes, that is S equal to R into 3 by 2 ln m plus 5 by 2 ln p minus ln p minus 0.0505. Sorry, 0.5055. But when P is equal to 1 atmosphere, S become standard entropy. So equation of standard entropy, which is equal to R into 3 by 2 ln m plus 5 by 2 ln t, when P is log P, when P is equal to 1, log P which is equal to 0, so minus 0.5055 for standard entropy. But we don't need this type of expansion. We need only Sackur-Tetrode equation. Only we need that Sackur-Tetrode equation. So we studied the internal energy of a monoatomic gas, heat capacity of a monoatomic gas, and entropy of a monoatomic gas. We can discuss the remaining part in our next lesson. Thank you for watching.